1 unit burned house in Gampong Baro Bireuen. A fire accident occurred in Bireuen Regency, Aceh Province, Indonesia. 1 unit of a permanent building was burned down and its contents. The accident occurred in Gampong Baro Village, Juang Bireuen City District, Saturday, January 8, 2022, at around 15:15 WIB. The house belonging to Anwar, 52 years old, was burnt to nothing. At the time of the incident, the owner of the house and his wife were not at home, but some of their children, when the accident occurred, were at home. According to information from Nurul as the son of the house owner, to several media, the incident initially sounded a very large explosion. Then he rushed to see what was happening. Suddenly the explosion came from the car garage. Seeing the fire that spread so quickly and burned the car in the garage, Nurul immediately ran to save his 2 younger siblings from leaving the house to avoid the fire and save themselves. Nurul immediately asked for help from the surrounding community. The fire that grew and soared quickly spread to other rooms. The local community immediately contacted the Bireuen Fire Department. Not long after, 3 units of the Bireuen Main Post Fire Fleet arrived at the scene, assisted by 2 units of the Kota Blang Post Fire Fleet and 1 fleet unit from the Simpang Mamplam Post. The firefighters quickly, swiftly and toughly tried to put out the fire. The fire could be extinguished so that it did not spread to other residences' houses adjacent to the victim's house. As a result of this disaster, 1 house and its contents were burned to the ground, 1 car and 2 motorbikes were also burned, and 7 people lost their homes. The house is occupied by Anwar Abdullah with 7 dependents, namely his wife, Nurmasita, 47, and their 6 children, namely Nurul, 23, Nabila, 21, Haikal, 17, Najwa, 14, Thader, 9, and Isia. There were no casualties in this incident, but the losses were estimated at hundreds of millions of rupiah. This is the information that we convey. Hopefully the victims will be patient in facing this ordeal. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this channel, so that we always provide the latest information for you.